well, this doesn't happen very often, just so you see that it really does. The reverse drill bits suck. Had to use the DeWalt's, but got it drilled out, got the easy out stuck in there, and check it out, that sucker's turning. It's not easy. Feels like it's gonna snap at any second. We're gonna keep going. Let's see, come on, baby. Probably should have used a wrench for that, but check it out. It's satisfying. I know that satisfies. We're gonna get it all the way out. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. It's hard to do this one-handed, but it was worth the video. Some channel locks would go a long ways. Yeah, that was killing me. There it is. The long-winded guy. Come on, man, it's killing me here. There it is. Actually drilled all the way through it. Come on, you stupid camera. Well, if my phone wasn't a piece of shit, you could see it maybe.